Part 1 is gonna be best gear options. This is the part that videographers get stuck the most at because there are so many different options. From cameras to microphones to lighting, it can all get real confusing.
Throughout tons of research, here are some of our options when it comes to cameras, from low budget to high budget.
But before we get into cameras, remember that iPhones are a great way to start your journey. Both JB and I have both made exceptional videos on our iPhones.
So let's get started with talking about low budget to high budget cameras. Then after that, we're going to show you guys how to navigate your camera settings. The iPhone 12 is going to be a good starting point. It's the easiest, fastest, and cheapest way to get started.
You can use automatic camera settings or third-party applications like Filmic Pro or Blackmagic to get higher picture quality.
And then you want to invest into tripods and microphones.
There are so many different tripod options for your iPhone, just like you guys see on the screen right here. As far as your audio is concerned, you can either get a shotgun mic or a lavalier mic. The difference is that a shotgun mic is going to allow the audio to be captured directly from the subject that it's pointed at, and the lavalier mic is going to allow for a great wireless option and make sure that your voice is the most dominant in the room.
And for a mid-range option, you can get the DJI Osmo Pocket or the Sony ZV-E10. Both of these options will give you great looks straight out of the box.
Next, you'll need a good lens to help you capture sharp, clean images, so we recommend the Tamron 17 to 70mm lens.
And for audio on this budget, we recommend the Rode Shotgun Mic Pro or the DJI lavalier microphones.
For stabilization, we use the Z Crane 3 or Weeble S, and for tripods, we recommend Newer or the Ulanzi tripods on Amazon.
Now let's talk about higher budget options.
We use the Sony FX3 and the FX6.
There are various different types of lenses that you can use as well. We use the 16 to 35 G Master, 24 to 7 G Master, and a 70 to 200 G Master. And you also can use different prime lenses, as you can see on the screen as well.
We would recommend using the same microphone we recommended for the mid-range level. However, we do suggest upgrading your gimbal, and we recommend the DJI RS3 Pro.
Real quick, if you're someone that want to create high quality videos and you need a little push and you need a little bit more education on how to do so, Course Creator Academy has your back. We have one-on-one classes and virtual classes for you all, where we can schedule a time in the day and put you guys in our online course, so that way you guys can learn everything you need to know on how to achieve high quality videos.
Also, don't forget, follow us on all social media platforms, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, to learn more about what Course Creator Academy has to offer.
And from here, this is where you want to upgrade your tripod. We recommend the Small Rig Free Blazer carbon fiber tripod. And of course, we like this because it's durable and it has many different features.
The next thing you want to buy to enhance your image quality is a light. This can be as simple as picking up a key light. We're currently using the Amaran F22C as our key light, and it comes fully equipped out of package with everything you need besides the C-stand.
And if you want to up your lighting game, we recommend the Aperture 600D, and for a cheaper option, of course, go with the Godox SL 100D. And of course, lastly, get you a softbox to soften that light.
Natural light will always help as well, so be sure to use it anytime you're able to.
You always need to store your files, so we recommend a 4TB SanDisk SSD for working and a 5TB hard drive for storage. There's a big difference between working off a hard drive and storing your footage.
We provide so much more information in our full course,
but we believe this guide is the simplest way to kickstart your videography journey.